The Su-25 taxis to the runway for maiden flight.
Flight testing verifies aircraft performance across the envelope.
Control surfaces are verified during taxi before first flight.
The combat-ready Su-25 is delivered to the Air Force.
Welcome to where we build the Su-25 Frogfoot ground attack aircraft.
Titanium armor plates begin as superheated billets in forging furnaces.
Massive hydraulic presses forge cockpit armor, protecting the pilot.
Controlled cooling ensures maximum strength and ballistic protection.
Each armor plate undergoes live-fire ballistic penetration testing. CNC machines precisely cut armor plates to exact specifications.
Technicians grind armor edges to perfect aerodynamic armor edges, aerodynamic smoothness.
Anti-corrosion coatings protect armor in harsh combat environments. Every armor plate is inspected and certified for combat readiness. CNC plasma cutters shape aluminum fuselage frame components precisely.
Technicians carefully deburr every edge for perfect frame assembly.
Master welders TIG weld aluminum frames with extreme precision.
X-ray inspection ensures every weld meets structural integrity standards. Frame sections are precisely positioned in massive assembly jigs.
Internal reinforcements provide combat damage resistance and structural integrity.
Synchronized welding creates the Su-25's robust primary structure.
Hydraulic testing verifies the frame withstands extreme combat stresses.
Aluminum alloy sheets are inspected for aerospace quality standards.
CNC routers cut precisely shaped aluminum skin panels.
Hydraulic presses form flat panels into precise fuselage curves.
연신 성형은 기수 부분에 복잡한 복합 곡선을 만듭니다.
CNC routers trim skin panels to precise aerospace tolerances.
Thousands of precision rivet holes are drilled automatically.
Chemical treatment protects aluminum skin from corrosion.
모든 스킨 패널은 조립 전에 검사 및 인증을 받습니다.
Titanium wing spars are forged to withstand extreme combat loads.
Five-axis CNC machines cut wing spars to micron precision.
Aluminum ribs form the wing's internal aerodynamic structure.
Precision jigs hold wing components during assembly. Thousands of rivets permanently join wing spars and ribs.
Integral wing fuel tanks provide extended combat range. Teams install wing skin panels with thousands of rivets.
Hydraulic testing verifies wings withstand extreme combat maneuvers. Titanium hardpoints are forged to carry heavy weapons.
CNC machines cut hardpoints to exact weapons interface specifications.
Master welders fabricate pylons that carry rockets and bombs.
Electrical systems control safe weapons deployment in combat.
Load testing verifies hardpoints can carry maximum weapons safely.
Electrical testing ensures reliable weapons release in combat.
Protective coatings shield weapon systems from harsh combat conditions.
Every weapon system is certified for combat deployment.
Titanium compressor blades are machined to micron precision.
Compressor blades are precisely assembled into rotor stages.
단겸정 터빈 블레이드는 극한의 연소 온도를 곁들입니다.
Electron beam welding creates combustion chambers for extreme heat. Engine core sections are precisely aligned and assembled.
Afterburners provide thrust boost for combat maneuvers.
Engines are installed in test cells for performance verification.
Full power testing verifies engine delivers combat-ready thrust.
Flight computers process pilot commands into precise control surface movements.
Radar warning receivers detect enemy missiles and aircraft. Thousands of wires connect every system throughout the aircraft. Navigation systems guide aircraft precisely to ground targets. Hydraulic actuators translate pilot commands into control surface movements.
Encrypt radios enable secure communication during combat missions.
Targeting sensors enable precise weapon delivery on ground targets. Power-on testing verifies all avionics systems function correctly.
Rocket-powered ejection seats save pilots during emergency bailout.
Instrument panels provide pilots with critical flight information. Titanium armor bathtub protects pilots from ground fire. The control stick gives pilots precise command of the aircraft. Heads-up displays project targeting data into pilot's vision. Ejection seats are precisely installed and tested for safety. Bulletproof canopies protect pilots while maintaining clear visibility. Canopies are installed and sealed for cockpit environmental protection.
Wings are precisely aligned with fuselage using laser systems.
Titanium bolts secure wings to withstand extreme flight loads. Twin turbojets are precisely installed into rear fuselage nacelles. Tail surfaces are installed for directional and pitch control.
천천히 내리십시오. 맞습니다. 고정하십시오.
Weapons pylos are installed for carrying rockets and bombs. Access panels provide maintenance access while maintaining aerodynamic smoothness.
External sensors and antennas provide critical flight data. Inspectors certify structural integrity before final systems integration.
encrypt radios enable secure communication during combat missions.
CNC machines cut landing gear struts to precise specifications. Hydraulic shock absorbers cushion landings on rough airfields.
Heavy-duty wheels and tires enable operations from unprepared fields.
Complex mechanisms retract landing gear into fuselage for flight.
위치 확인. 설치 완료.
Landing gear assemblies are installed into airframe structure.
Hydraulic brakes provide powerful stopping on short runways.
Gear cycles are tested to verify reliable operation.
Engine-driven hydraulic pumps power all aircraft control systems.
High-pressure hydraulic lines route power throughout the aircraft. Fuel tanks are sealed and tested for leak-proof integrity. Fuel pumps transfer aviation fuel from tanks to engines.
Fuel lines connect tanks to engines for power generation.
Hydraulic reservoirs maintain fluid pressure for control systems.
Fuel sensors are calibrated to show pilots remaining fuel.
Pressure testing verifies hydraulic and fuel system integrity.
Aircraft surfaces are thoroughly cleaned before paint application. Corrosion-resistant primer protects the airframe from environmental damage. Masking creates precise camouflage patterns for tactical concealment.
Base camouflage color provides tactical concealment from ground observation.
Secondary colors create multi-tone camouflage for battlefield concealment. National insignia and serial numbers identify the aircraft.
Clear protective coating seals and preserves the camouflage finish.
Inspectors certify paint quality meets strict military standards.
All aircraft systems are powered for comprehensive integration testing. Control surfaces move through full range, verifying flight control.
Avionics systems communicate through integrated digital networks.
Weapon circuits are tested to ensure reliable ordnance delivery.
Radar warning systems are tested against simulated enemy threats. 항법 정확도가 정밀 무기 표적화를 위해 경약되었습니다.
Emergency systems are tested to ensure pilot safety. Engineers certify all integrated systems meet operational specifications.
Ground crew tows the aircraft to engine testing area.
Safety inspectors verify aircraft ready for first engine start.
Both engines start for the first time and idle.
Engines are tested through full power range.
Afterburners ignite, delivering maximum combat thrust.
High-speed taxi tests verify steering and brake performance.
속도 확인. 브레이크 테스트 시작.
예, 알겠습니다. 진행하십시오. Control surfaces are verified during taxi before first flight.
Engineers certify the aircraft ready for first flight. Test pilots brief the maiden flight plan and procedures.
Test pilot inspects the aircraft before maiden flight.
Pilot completes pre-flight checklist, preparing for takeoff.
The Su-25 taxis to the runway for maiden flight.
The Su-25 Frogfoot takes flight for the first time.
Flight testing verifies aircraft performance across the envelope.
비행 영역 시험 데이터 확인. 고도 유지.
착륙을 허가한다.
Successful landing completes the historic maiden flight.
수고하셨습니다. The combat-ready Su-25 is delivered to the Air Force.